Hello, sports enthusiasts around the globe. We're thrilled to introduce Payton Sports, your ultimate destination for the best in sports, movie, and television collectibles. With Payton Sports, you can take your passion for sports and entertainment to an entirely whole new level. And Payton Sports is more than a store. We're a haven for sports, movies, and television fans seeking to collect or gift both rare and popular trading cards from every era. From vintage baseball cards to autographed items, we've invested over 20 years curating our massive inventory of over 1 million collectible items, and we're proud to say that we have something for sports and entertainment fans just like you. And chances are at Payton Sports, we've got exactly what you are looking to add to your unique collection. The Payton Sports experience brings trust, connection, and value. This experience offers you to become part of a growing community of people who share your passion for all things sports and entertainment. It's who we are at Payton Sports. So, whether you are a seasoned collector or you just want to possess a piece or two of sports, movie, or television history, Payton Sports is your ultimate destination for the best in sports and entertainment collectibles, and we invite you to check out PaytonSports.com today.